Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a pop-up sign-up form here in Omnisend. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead over to Forms. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just go ahead and click on Preview and Launch Form. Okay, if you want to, you can go ahead and click on View Other Form Types. Now, in here, let's just go ahead and find pop-up. Right here in the left panel, we have the type, okay? Tick on pop-up, and you have a ton of options right here. Alright. So let's just go ahead and select one, maybe just this simple one right here, okay? Use template. Now you can go ahead and edit this one however you want, okay? Just basically drag and drop from the editor right here. For example, you wanted to add maybe a phone number, just drag and drop it, okay? Text, you can change the input alignment right here, and the section and the default country, okay? Placeholder text, which is right here, and the layout is here. Just do whatever you want in this section, okay? You can go ahead and change the text from here. You can double click on it to start editing the text, okay? Maybe you'd like to go ahead and add in claim 10% discount, or just leave it like sign up for our club and get in early on our best deals, okay? For the button, you can go ahead and change maybe claim your discount like so. And then once done, add in the success message right here. It could be just like this. You're part of the club. You'll now be the first to receive our best offerings, or maybe to enjoy, okay, our discount. Smiley. And that is it. Or maybe we'd go ahead and add in check your inbox. Okay, just tap away and you'll be able to see the display and targeting rules. Okay, maybe after spending, maybe the customer spends 6 seconds on the page, well, they'll be able to see this pop up. You can go ahead and change this one. Okay, you have a ton of options in here. Or maybe you have targeting. Okay, visitors targeting option, like don't show to existing contacts or all visitors. Page targeting appears on URL, does not appear on URL. Source targeting, direct, or everything. Okay, UTM targeting right here, you can go ahead and select the source, could be via name, but in my personal preference, I don't use this one. Okay, and once that's done, actually you're good to go. Just go ahead and enable the form or save it for now to edit it later, and the form will now appear on your site once you have enabled it, of course, according to the rules you have set right here. And that is it. That is how you create a pop-up sign-up form here in Omnisend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.